p.m. I did say good morning because this is when my day started. Let me tell you how my day went today. So, woke up. What time did we wake up? At like 5:50. Dropped Aaron at the station, at the train station, because he had to go back to the city. I'm going down to see my parents this weekend. So I dropped them off. I came back and I was supposed to go to sleep immediately after because I was not done with my sleep. Me and my sleep, the date was not over. What did I do instead? Cheated on my sleep with TikTok and IG Reels. And then I went back to sleep. And that was my mistake because I knew the minute my eyes closed and I go back to sleep, I'm waking up at midday. I'm waking up in the middle of the day and I'm not gonna get anything done. Now it's 3:21. I was supposed to be out of here by 4 o'clock. That's clearly not happening because I gotta clean this messy apartment. I hate going home or going anywhere and then coming back to a messy apartment. So, yesterday was Valentine's Day. So my makeup is all over the place. My clothes all over the place. I mean, you guys saw it from the clip. Everything was everywhere. And I came back, I just wanted to sleep because your girl, I had fun last night. I was a little tipsy, you know. My fro living her best life underneath my bonnet. But my goal right now is to clean this mess, pack my stuff. I also get to see my cat today. I haven't seen him for like a month and a half because he's been staying with my mama. I'm gonna put a timer for myself. All of these clothes, all my bags, my bed, everything should be done. I will do a check-in, but I love timing myself like that because then it's like a little competition. That's how I get to do anything. I just gotta compete. I'm too competitive. Clean it up, try to beat the time, and then I will check in. Quick updates. It is, what time is it? Let me go check the time. 6:05. Apartment is cleaned. I'm all nice and showered and comfy and ready for my hour-and-a-half drive. So I did pretty good with time. And it's not rush hour anymore. So I can have a smooth drive back. But I'm about to leave and go see Miso. I miss him so much. It's been like a month and some change since the last time I saw him. All right, y'all. I'll catch you later. Namuita honey, how nekani honey. I see her. Oh. Hi. Aya, acha nitoe vitu kwa gari.
Utatoa after.
Aya.
Sawa. Toa miwani.
Amini ni mimi.
When he warms up, he'll warm up. He's just trying to sleep.
You don't want this? Hey, Miso. Are you still mad? Miso, come here. I'm sorry, baby. He's so mad at me. I feel so bad. I'll never leave you this long again. Okay? I messed up. Yo, my cat is so mad at me. Good morning. Good morning. I'm heading to my dental appointment. Wait, is my dental or my eye? I think my first one. No, my first one is definitely my eye appointment. And I feel so bad leaving Miso because he was so mad at me when I got home yesterday. Oh my gosh, he was giving me so much attitude. He wouldn't let me hold him. I don't even think he slept in my room. He came in the middle of the night to walk all over my chest and then he left. But this morning he came to my bed and we cuddled and I was playing with him this morning. But I feel bad because I have to go to my appointment and he probably thinks I'm leaving him again. Yes, I have a 10 a.m. So I just left my eye doctor and they dilated my eyes so everything is so bright, and I'm supposed to have my dental appointment at 12 p.m. and what time is it right now? Let me see. It's 10:57. So I have an hour. I'm gonna go chill at home for like 30 minutes and then drive there. Go hang out with Miso because I feel guilty. I feel guilty. This is fashion. Everything's so bright because they dilated my eyes. I can't see. But I don't have sunglasses. I didn't bring sunglasses with me. So I had to find some glasses that I got in high school in like a swag bag or something. And I don't want to put my contacts in either. But I'm going to get my teeth cleaned. Is it weird to like getting my teeth cleaned? I don't know. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's last name?
Okay. Thank you so much. So I just got back home. I picked up some Dominican food on the way back. Aww. My cutie. But let's look at this food. Tell me that does not look bussin'. And my fave. You want some of my food? I know you can smell it. It smells good. No one even knows the time or anything.
It's 5 o'clock. And it's the day. Actually, if I was in Kenya, I would already be born. So here we go. Birthday already.
Good morning. It's a little birdie. Anyway, good morning. It's my mom's birthday today and I haven't seen her this morning yet. I just woke up and showered and got ready. I made her a frame from Shutterfly that has a picture of me and her. Erin has flowers being delivered to her in maybe like an hour, but she doesn't know. And I haven't seen her either, so I'm gonna go get that for her and surprise her. We were gonna do lunch today, but it snowed. And I know the minute that snow is outside, she does not want to be outside. I'm a homebody just like her. That's where I get it from. But my outfit today. All Cernucci, they need to sponsor me because I'm obsessed. These sweats are so warm. And I love this shirt. It's so cute. I'm gonna go and have some breakfast and see the fam and my little gato. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mom's in the shower. I'm glad you like it. Somehow I knew you'd be more interested in this card.
Did you pay attention to what you were wearing or just wore it?
I just wore it. I guess it's appropriate for today, huh?
No, the angel was trying to tell us that she's around. He's around, she's around. Good morning. You know, we don't pay attention to these things.
Yeah.
These are the things the universe is trying to teach us. Unless you read, then you don't understand. Because you can be waking up at 2 to 2 a.m. every morning, or 2 to 2 p.m. You look at the clock, it's 2 to 2. So these little nudges that the universe does for us, but we don't pay attention.
Heavy door, oh my god. There's something here for you.
Oh, another thing for me? Are you recording? I got more keys. Turn on the light. You should always remember the time.
I totally. Did you see who it's from?
Yeah, of course I do.
Where's the flower?
I thought this was breakfast. I'm so surprised. I was like, oh, he sent me the tea. Of course not.
Oh, Miso! Get out of here.
This is so cute. So thoughtful of him to do this. He didn't have to though. I like the flowers. This would have been.
Take a while. Let me do one.
Wow.
So thoughtful. Aaron is always so thoughtful.
Yeah.
Hey Miso! You want us to record your Miso? It's Grandma's birthday. It is Grandma's birthday.
You can hold them like that.
Did I smile nicely?
Mama is happy. We did what we had to do.